In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Zoom to Microsoft Outlook so you can schedule and start Zoom meetings directly from your Outlook calendar. This step-by-step guide will walk you through the process, whether you're using the web version of Outlook or the desktop app, making it seamless to integrate Zoom into your daily workflow. First things first, you'll need to open Outlook and sign in. You can do this either through the web version or the desktop application, whichever you prefer or have access to. With Outlook open, let's navigate to where you can find add-ins. If you're using Outlook for the web and starting from a new email, you'll want to click on the Insert tab. Once there, you'll see an option for Apps in the drop-down menu. Click on that, and it'll lead you to the store. If you're in the desktop version, head over to the Home tab and look for the Get Add-ins option. This is your gateway to the add-in marketplace. Now that you know how to reach the add-in store, the next step is to search for Zoom for Outlook. Simply type Zoom for Outlook into the search bar, and you should see it pop up in the results. Click on Add if you're using the web, or Get It Now if you're on the desktop to install this handy add-on. Give it a moment to complete the installation, and you'll be all set to integrate Zoom directly into your Outlook calendar events. Once the installation is done, it's time to check out your new tool. Create a new calendar event in Outlook just like you normally would. Now, in the Event toolbar or menu, you should notice a new addition, a Zoom button or icon. Click on this button, and if you haven't already signed into your Zoom account, you'll be prompted to do so. Enter your Zoom credentials, and you'll be given a new option. Add a Zoom meeting or something similar that you can select within your event. After you choose to add a Zoom meeting, all the necessary meeting details like the join link and dial-in information will be automatically inserted into your Outlook event. It's as easy as that. You can then proceed to save the event and invite guests just as you usually would. This integration helps ensure that everyone you invite has all the information they need to join your Zoom meeting effortlessly, directly from the invitation you send. And there you have it, a streamlined way to incorporate Zoom into your Microsoft Outlook calendar, making meeting scheduling and management a breeze. By following these steps, you've seamlessly added a powerful communication tool to your Outlook setup, making collaboration with colleagues and classmates as efficient as possible. Thanks for tuning in, and happy meeting scheduling.